Welcome to Ship4wd. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add team members to your Ship4wd account. Whether you're managing a small team or growing an organization, getting your colleagues on board is easy and only takes a few moments. First, make sure your team members have already signed up and created their individual accounts on Ship4wd. If they haven't, they can head over to ship4wd.com and click Get Started to create their account. Now, let's dive into the steps for adding your team members. From the account dashboard, head up to the upper right corner and click the arrow. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Organization. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your team and organization. Once you're in the Manage Organization section, you'll see a list of all current members of your organization. To add someone new, just click the Invite Member button on the right. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some basic details: name, role, and email of the person you want to invite. Now, here's an important step. When assigning roles, you have two options. By selecting Admin, you give full access to the account, including the ability to manage team members. By selecting Agent, like navigating the account but without seeing freight charges or inviting new members. Once you've entered all the information, click Submit. Your team member will receive an invitation email to join your company's Ship4wd account. Just remember, they need to have their own Ship4wd account already set up to accept the invitation. Your team member will get this invitation in their inbox. All they have to do is click Accept Invitation. Once logged into their Ship4wd account, they can accept the invite and officially join your organization. It's that simple. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member to your Ship4wd account. For more tips and how-to guides, stay tuned and happy shipping.